What does an elephant say? Very good. What does a dog say? What's a kitty say?
Yeah.
What's a fish say? What's a bunny say? There, we got it. That's awesome. Derek, what does a tiger say?
Yeah.
Remember, a tiger says this. He goes, very good. What does a lion say?
Yeah.
Yeah. What does a mouse say?
Remember, Derek?
What does a cow say?
Boo.
What's a horse say? Very good. What about
Do you
A
remember
monkey.
what a penguin says?
remember?
What's a mouse?
Waddle, waddle, waddle.
Waddle, waddle, waddle.
Very good. What does a frog say? Very good.
What does a bird say?
Nice.
What does a monkey say?
Can you say bow?
Boo.
Very good. Can you say stir? Oh, the cookies are done. Forget you guys.
You say stir?
No.
Can you say clay? Yeah, very
You say
good.
bud?
Me.
That's
Bud.
better.
Yeah. Can you say lily?
Yeah.
Yeah. Say bye-bye.